Hey. Meow.
Okay,
What are you doing?
let's take a video together.
Well, how are we gonna do that? It can't see us.
I can.
No, it can't.
Oh. How do you think that made my tongue feel?
I don't know what it hurt. Hey, 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 hey you. What are you doing? Huh? Huh? Huh?
There you go. Thanks a lot. You're super welcome. Oh my god. The chocolate, like brownie chunk,
Hey, hey,
strawberry.
kitty.
And actually, because it's pounded the ice cream, you
Hey,
can actually
hey,
taste after
hey,
tasting. Because
hey,
usually ice cream
hey.
is too cold, so immediately it just freezes your taste buds and you can't taste the chocolate or really any of the flavors.
Look at the tail.
Coming up next, a Lone Star mode of transportation. Great ride.
Look at that right there.
That leads to a dinner fit for the First Lady. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Okay, look how cute this is. When my weekend getaway in Austin continues.
Look at that.
What?
That's its eye.
I know, I see.
Oh boy.